In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an online booking form using a form builder. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can easily create a professional and functional appointment scheduling tool. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelance professional, or just someone who needs to streamline appointment bookings, this tutorial will be incredibly helpful. First, let's open your chosen form builder. If you're new to form builders, they're intuitive tools designed to help you create various types of forms without the hassle of having to code. Once you've accessed the form builder interface, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This approach will make the process much smoother as you move forward. Now that you're comfortable, let's dive into adding the appointment widget or element. In your form builder's toolbar or side panel, you'll typically find a wide range of elements and widgets available to you. These could include text boxes, drop-down menus, and more. For our purpose today, locate the appointment widget. It's usually easy to find, often represented by a calendar icon. Once you find it, simply click on it or drag it onto your form workspace. Adding this widget is an essential step because it transforms a basic form into a dynamic scheduling tool. Your clients will be able to select from available slots, eliminating the back and forth of traditional scheduling methods. It's worth noting that some form builders might ask you to configure initial settings for your appointments at this stage. For instance, you might need to specify the time zone or decide how many appointments can be booked simultaneously. Once you've added the widget, it's time to customize available dates and times. This is where you define the hours you're open for appointments, as well as any particular dates you might need to block off. Look for the settings or properties panel associated with your appointment widget. Here, you'll be able to set the days of the week you're available and specify time slots that clients can book. It's flexible, allowing you to set up quick 5-minute appointments or more extended sessions depending on what your service requires. While setting up these times, it pays to be thoughtful about your own work-life balance. Avoid overbooking by providing buffer times between appointments if needed. Some form builders also offer advanced options, such as automatic reminders, which can be a real-time saver. With your dates and times configured, the final step is to save your form. Look for a Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of your screen. Hitting Save ensures all your hard work is retained and your calendar is ready to be shared with potential clients. Remember, once saved, your form can often be embedded on a website or shared via a link. This feature makes it incredibly versatile, reaching clients wherever they are. Congratulations, your appointment booking form is ready to use. That's it for today's tutorial. You're now equipped with the knowledge to create a seamless and professional booking process for your clients. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.